Reading progress in class teams. This video shows you how to set up a reading progress assignment in class teams. I'm in a class team that I prepared and I've navigated to my assignments. To begin a reading progress, I'm going to go down to Create and then Assignment. Once this has loaded, I need to give it a title in order to save it. And then I can go to Attach. Here I need to select Read in Progress. I've got two options now. I can import a Word document or a PDF or browse a sample. As you can see, there's a wide selection of samples that are pre-built in, and you can search by year level and have a look at the different text types. If you want to preview the text, you can do this here as well. My second option is to import a Word document or a PDF. I'm going to upload a PDF. So I've got my text here, which is about koalas. And when it loads, I might need to do some editing. You can see here that it's been repeated twice. So in order to fix that up, I need to click on the Edit button. And then I can go ahead and delete that passage and also fix up the formatting. I'm also going to rename the title. I've also got some options here, so I can put in a reading level. I can choose a genre, and I can also say how many times the student can redo the assignment. If it's a test, I might just select one, but if I want the student to be able to listen and redo, I might choose a number or go for unlimited. I can also say how long the student has to complete the task and change the pronunciation. If I've got students with English as a second language, for example, I might choose less sensitive. You can also choose require video or not. And I can preview what it will look like for students. You'll notice I've got an option to change what the text looks like on the screen by clicking the double A. And then as with Immersive Reader, I can change the screen color, increase the text size, and change the font. Once I've finished reading, I can do I'm done, and then because I've selected unlimited, the student will have those two options. Let's exit the student view, and now I'm ready, I can go next. You will have noticed that the assignment doesn't add any pictures. So if there's a picture or an illustration that's important for the student to view, I might upload the file as the PDF so the student can then access these images. Another thing I might like to attach is a form for comprehension. So in this case I put in some reading comprehension questions into a form that I've pre-made, and I'm just going to attach the link to that form. Then do the normal things that I can do in an assignment, including selecting which students I'm going to assign this assignment to. So I might want to assign it to individual students according to their reading level. I'm now in the student view. This is the same team, and under assignments I can see my koala reading assignment. If I go in there, I can click on my work, and this will bring up my assignment for me to read. Once I click on Start, or the student clicks on Start, they have the opportunity to record
Koalas are found only in Australia. They spend a lot of time up in the tree, but will come down to the ground to move in.
And then once they've finished, they can press I'm done. And then it will attach it to their assignment. Now, if I chose the option for unlimited, then I can listen back as a student and attempt again.
Koalas are found only in Australia. They spend a lot of time up in the trees but will come down to the ground to move to a new tree. Koalas can run when they're on the ground.
If the student's happy, they can click on Use this assignment, and then they can hand in their work. Now, going back to the teacher view, let's have a look at what that looks like now that a student has completed that assignment. So I'm back in my team as a teacher, and I'm going to go to that koala reading assignment and look on the one that's been handed in. I can now see the recording of the student and hear how they've read. It gives me an analysis telling me how many mispronunciations, etc. I can listen, and if I feel like the auto detect has made an error, I can also go in and change some of those.
Down to the ground to move to a new tree. Koalas can run when they're on the ground.
I can also go in and change some of those errors. I can select what type of a report the student will view, and I can also enter some feedback. So let's have a look at that report. So I can do the full report, which gives the reading accuracy and speed, or I can just give the report that shows the different errors. Click on Save, and then make sure I return the work. Okay, now let's close that down, and let's go now into my student view. So I'm back in my assignment. I can see I returned it on the 28th of February, and when I click in there, I can see what I did, and I get that full report just like my teacher, and I can jump and listen to the different words.